At Blue Sky, we're focused on delivering quality, honest, and dependable work to the people of Denver. This code of ethics can be traced all the way back to 1916 when Archie Lanyon became a registered Colorado master plumber. Fast forward to now, and that history has culminated in a modern company with old world values, having served this community for 4 generations. With each new day, we're continuing to uphold those values and provide high-quality service in all areas of plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and electrical. The family we've built here at Blue Sky is one that cares for our community, that treats each customer with respect. Because as we keep doing our job, we're striving to only get better, even after over 100 years of serving our Colorado neighbors. So anytime you see our white and blue trucks, know that we're just doing what we've always done. And if you have home comfort needs, know that you can rely on Blue Sky, serving the people of Colorado for over a century.